We have just arrived to the receiving pit. What do we do now? We have to disconnect the pilot head. Once the pilot head is removed, we take it away, remove the transmitter and remove the batteries. The next thing we do after the pilot head is removed, we bring the reamer. We put the reamer on the pilot drilling rod. Now, in your set you have a special connection to prevent the reamer from moving further in this direction, so you also attach this connection. But in this movie we are putting a reamer directly on the drilling rod. Now in order to fix the reamer in its place, we bring another element. This element is called chain connector. It connects drilling rods with the puller, with the pipe. Okay, now the drilling rod is connected with the chain link. It prevents the expander from moving further away from the drilling rod. The expander pushes the soil around the drilling pipes, the drilling rods, and expands the hole. It makes way for the new pipe to be installed. Those chain links are used to pull the pipe. We can pull one pipe or two or even three pipes or even more if they are small. The main point is to pull a pipe which is smaller than this hole that we create with the reamer. For small pipes we use this kind of pipe pullers. We attach them to the chain links and pull the pipe. It's very easy. For very small diameters we have small diameter pullers which we attach directly to here, to the drilling rod. So we remove this one, we just attach this puller. But first you need to have a reamer, but a smaller one. For small diameters you use this kind of reamer, put it on the drilling rod and then you screw the puller. After that it takes the load, it expands the soil, and this one is used only to pull the pipe without any extra load.